Did you know that every year American farmers harvest more than 1.5 billion pounds of almonds? That's enough to blanket an entire city like San Francisco under layers of golden brown. It's a staggering figure, but what's even more fascinating is how these tiny, crunchy nuts became global icons of health, prosperity, and taste. This is a journey that begins far from grocery store shelves in the vast, sun-soaked orchards of California's Central Valley. Here, almonds are not just grown, they are nurtured, engineered, and guided through a dance of technology, tradition, and trust in nature. Picture yourself standing in the middle of a seemingly endless orchard. Row upon row of neatly lined almond trees stretch toward the horizon, their branches gently swaying under a pale blue sky. This is California, not just the almond capital of America, but of the world, producing over 1.2 million tons annually and supplying 80% of the global demand. It's not just agriculture here, it's a legacy. But behind the beauty of each almond lies a deeper truth. These nuts are born of intense care, science, and sacrifice. Just 20 almonds can contain 160 calories, the equivalent of a chicken leg. But packed with healthy fats and nutrients, they're a miracle for dieters, if consumed in moderation. What many don't realize is that each ton of almonds requires more than 10 million liters of water to grow. And in a drought-stricken California, that's a number that raises eyebrows. It's why sustainable almond farming isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. Every harvest becomes a balance between feeding the world and protecting the land. It all begins in winter, January or February. When new almond trees are planted in the fertile soils of the Central Valley, farmers use advanced planting methods, including precise drip and micro-sprinkler irrigation systems that deliver just the right amount of water and nutrients straight to the roots. These systems reduce waste, maximize absorption, and help young trees develop strong, healthy foundations. Almond trees have deep roots and an even deeper thirst. Their growing season aligns with California's driest months. So without consistent irrigation, the trees would suffer. Thanks to micro-sprinklers and drip lines, farmers have learned to walk the fine line between yield and conservation. In the first 2 years, the focus is on growth, strong trunks, broad canopies, and resilient root systems. Trees are pruned with care using modern machinery that ensures sunlight can reach every branch. Healthy trees grow better almonds, and almond farming, as it turns out, is just as much art as it is science. By the 3rd or 4th year, the trees are ready to bloom, and bloom they do in spectacular shades of white and pink. But this is no ordinary springtime flourish. It's a crucial window for pollination. And for that, over 2 million bee colonies are brought in. These bees don't just visit, they work tirelessly, transferring pollen from flower to flower. Their wings help bring the future harvest to life. For generations, almond growers and beekeepers have partnered closely, creating a bond that supports biodiversity and productivity alike. Without bees, there would be no almonds. And without almonds, the landscape of California agriculture would look very different. After months of sunshine and slow maturation, the outer green hulls of almonds begin to split, revealing the hard shell inside. This subtle change is nature's signal it's time to harvest. The harvest process is nothing short of mesmerizing. Modern tree shakers, powerful machines with hydraulic arms, clamp onto the base of each tree and deliver rapid, controlled vibrations. Within seconds, almonds rain down like confetti, blanketing the orchard floor. Each machine can process 10 to 15 trees per hour, turning what was once a labor-intensive chore into a streamlined operation. Once on the ground, another machine, the sweeper, glides through the orchard. Its spinning brushes gently guide the almonds into neat, tidy rows called windrows. It's like combing the earth with precision. After a few days of natural sun drying, the almonds are ready to be collected. A harvesting machine follows next, gathering the almonds from these rows. With built-in fans and filters, it removes twigs, leaves, and dust, while preserving the integrity of the nut. What's left are golden kernels kissed by sunlight and ready for the next chapter. At the processing facility, the almonds arrive in bulk, still wearing their natural coats, whole shells, and a little dust from the fields. But before they can be cracked or roasted, they go through an intensive cleaning journey. First, desk sticker machines remove larger debris. Then desk owners use airflow and vibration to separate stones and clumps of soil. A final detwigger ensures only clean almonds remain. Next comes hulling, where the green outer layer is carefully stripped away using soft friction rollers and suction systems. Any remaining material is filtered out by gravity tables. The almonds that still have their hard shells move to the shelling phase. Here they're fed into precision cracking machines that gently split the shells without damaging the nut inside. It's a delicate process, but one made possible by years of design improvements and sensor-based automation. Then comes sorting. Using advanced cameras and AI-driven software, almonds are analyzed for color size and surface defects. Robotic arms remove flawed pieces instantly, while human workers perform final inspections, catching what machines may miss. Almonds are then grouped into bins based on quality grades. Premium kernels often head straight for roasting or packaging. While smaller or broken pieces may be used for almond butter, flour, or confectionery ingredients. To ensure food safety, pasteurization is done using steam. It's quick, effective, and preserves the almond's natural flavor. From here, the almonds are ready for transformation. Roasted salted almonds are placed in industrial ovens baked to golden perfection at carefully controlled temperatures. Still warm, they're tossed with a salt solution that clings to every crevice. Cooling systems seal in the crunch, locking in freshness. Meanwhile, almond toffee, a favorite sweet treat, is crafted by melting sugar and butter, blending in cream, then pouring the golden mixture over metal trays. As it cools, it's cut coated with melted chocolate and finished with roasted almond slivers. It's a rich ending to a journey that began in the soil months or years before. Each almond carries the taste of sun, the hands of farmers, the wings of bees, and the precision of machines. Behind every bite is a silent story of droughts survived, of harvests gambled, and of a relentless pursuit of perfection. So the next time you eat an almond raw, roasted, or wrapped in chocolate, remember this: it didn't just come from a tree. It came from a legacy built on patience, ingenuity, and love for the land.